Hello guys, welcome to Langley Chrysler. This is Yucan.
Hello guys, this is Yucan, the Jeep guy here.
And this is Norm. Hello again, and thanks for watching again, coming back to us. We really appreciate it, and we actually need your support for the future as well, because we just try to roll that project more and more right now and share our experience about the vehicles and some cool gadgets and stuff like that with you guys, right?
I'm a little bit nervous when I say I'm the Jeep guy because we're inside a brand new 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL.
And you should see his hands, they're shaking. What year are you driving now? 17 or 16?
16 JK. But the thing is, this new product has got the 4th generation Yucan system, which means
it's something what we never experienced before. Actually, I never try myself to pair the phone with the new system, and that's what we actually want to try. So we pretending as a completely newbie, we just pretending the customer just ordered brand new vehicle. He got the keys, he inside the vehicle, and he gonna pair that new system with his iPhone or Android. So my phone is Android, it's Samsung S8, one of the best phone.
Mine is just a 6S, it's an iPhone system. We're gonna be trying out today.
Perfect.
And one Android, right?
So we'll see how it works and how easy it's to pair and how complicated. So we're gonna jump probably in humps and bumps.
Okay, you start with the 8 Android. You want to go first?
So
we at the system now?
Yeah, so let's take a look. So I completely turn off any existing Wi-Fi. So I have a LTE. So there's my screen. So let's just log in. I'm not gonna show you my passwords and stuff like that. That's my beautiful desktop screen right now. And so what should we do actually?
I don't know. You're going
So we're gonna go phone
phone
probably. And we want to pair. Yes, we want to pair now. I'm gonna go inside my phone. Oh no, we're gonna go to the connections. We're gonna go to the Bluetooth, and let's see. So it says it's looking. There's a Uconnect. Here we go. We use a Uconnect, and action is going on. Here we go. Good job. So yes and yes. So far everything is good. It says Bluetooth pairing successful, Galaxy S8 device supported. We want hello.
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 And
I can't help you.
Okay.
This is my also first time. I don't know.
Okay, so I never see actually like that before. So it's downloading contacts right now. It's automatically come up so you can put your favorites right away. And let's see what else we have.
I think it works now. We can try the Yucan.
Contacts downloaded. That's keypad. Everything is working now. Where's that unique system what they was mentioning when you actually can mirror the screen?
Let's try under apps, where you'll find all your apps. You don't see that.
It's good. So we just jump in hump where we actually see that Android Auto. I think we need to download probably application.
Do you know why? Do you know why?
No.
Because your phone doesn't have a headphone jack.
Headphone jack? No, my phone.
No,
has
right?
There is.
Oh, then your phone doesn't have a charger.
I have charger.
Okay.
But let me see. Do we need to Android? Do we need to Android Auto? App Manager, running apps. So it showed me there's a 4G available, so technically the internet should be accessible.
I think you just failed. Let me try it with the old school.
One sec. No, it's not a travel link. What is that? That's a satellite. Then Project Manager. What is Project Manager? Okay, smartphone device mirroring. Perfect. That's what we need. And how we can turn that in? Is it maybe media? USB. We don't have USB. Map. That's nothing in here. Apps.
I'm gonna give you 5 more seconds. If you can't figure it out,
no, 1 second.
Android
like
loses.
we, as any other customer, checking that out. So everything is working from my phone. Okay, so vehicle operations, radio navigation, vehicle maintenance,
this page.
Search.
Huh.
Let's see, Android. Go.
Oh,
Android
Auto.
We're closer.
Wow.
Let's see. Okay, so download Android Auto app from Google Play Store. Okay, so here is welcome to Android Auto. Get started. Safety. Continue. 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 Hello. Hello. Hello.
That's why I'm doing
Hello?
Android.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello. Done. Okay. Always on display Android Auto. We are set up. Okay, so now we access. Boom. Let's upload this. Auto launch. Where's the Yucan? Here. Turn on. Hello. What is going? Oh.
Whoa. Hey.
Okay, so it looks like the phone's showing some weird stuff. Is there something we can get?
I don't see anything.
Assistance, backup, heated seats. You know what? I have a feel this is just controlling basically that device.
Oh, okay.
But
So
it
actually
doesn't
you can-
show you. Let's see if we can put some destination. Navigate.
You want to use the mirroring? And
No, it's
showing
just
nothing.
showing this. Perfect. So what it shows, we just couldn't figure it out. What is Wi-Fi spot? Okay, it's telling us we need to buy that stuff.
Always no free Wi-Fi, right? I don't know. No free Wi-Fi.
Anyway, so
You can't get it to work on
5
Android.
minutes I couldn't get work, and
Okay.
the way I just get set up, so basically that whatever they recommend me to do with my phone, nothing to do with the screen. So basically you're operating everything from your phone right now is a navigation. You can obviously do the Bluetooth phone calls and stuff like that. Now we'll do the same with iPhone.
Okay. You know what? You just try 5 minutes, couldn't figure out how to work.
Exactly. I'm
theory-
turning my Bluetooth off. Now I want to see.
My theory is that you remember when you use map on your phone,
Yeah.
the battery just, drains super fast. That's why I think you need to connect to your phone through a
Cable?
hot wire, yeah, or cable, right?
Okay.
So let's try that. Before we couldn't find the. Now just something. Oh, see, unlock your phone. Okay. App not installed. So I probably also need to install Apple CarPlay app. So I didn't download the app, but now
We have a new icon.
we have
just
an
came
Apple
up.
CarPlay
Correct.
show up.
Yeah,
Okay, no problem.
It's
you know,
good.
It's just Siri.
I'm just so you have another few minutes. Reachability. Maybe you need to click reachability.
You know what? Android guy.
Let me look an Android phone how to enable Siri in the iPhone.
Thank you.
Let's Google it.
Thank you. Oh, Siri and search. Okay, I got it. It asked me to do what?
How to
Enable Siri in the setting app on your iPhone.
enable.
Enable Siri. I did that.
You did
Okay,
it?
wow.
Oh,
It's that simple.
Hallelujah.
You know, let me walk people through this again. But I'm curious before we go into this stuff.
Yeah.
If I disconnect. So back to nothing, right?
Okay.
So technically, what you do, I can do my tutorial right now.
So
you know,
basically with the cable.
sorry to Android people, you need to wait for the next tutorial. But
That's fine.
Connect.
Next time we'll show with
right,
the cable.
connect, unlock, and go to the Apple CarPlay page.
But don't forget to enable Siri.
Yep.
Okay.
I believe
And
many
now
people.
what we have here? Maps.
Map, obviously the map is a big one. As long as
Do you have Wi-Fi enabled or you
yeah.
have?
My home address. I don't want to show that, but
It doesn't show. It just
Oh,
shows
okay.
estimate time. Oh,
Oh,
it shows
no,
now. Too
no
late.
problem.
Too late. So
So-
how you go back to the home?
Okay, it's just like the home
Phone.
button there. Phone.
Hello, call
Oh,
Norm.
Norm. I don't think I have your number. But
With whom would you like to speak?
Norm.
Prime Minister.
I don't see your Prime Minister in your contacts.
Okay, so phone
Can I look
works?
for locations by that name?
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, the phone definitely works, and you can use. For many people, it's super easy. I see many people use that. Siri call somebody. Okay, that works. Music, I didn't subscribe.
That's
I didn't
fine.
subscribe
Messages,
to,
yeah,
so
also
I don't have music here. Message definitely works.
It's
Now
great. So
playing.
basically, to start your phone with that screen, it's what, 2 minutes probably. If you're a new guy and you don't know what you're doing, but don't forget the cable. A lot of people don't even have a cable.
You know, I just
so we're
noticed.
gonna need to try just
right?
Bluetooth.
This is just backing up my theory because the phone is also charging at the same time. Don't use cheap cable. Some cable just for data transfer might not work. This is the original, a little bit, you know, old but dirty.
Yeah.
It's the original cable, definitely works. And okay, it's super easy to use. You want to grab a cable and try again? On Android? 'Cause
Sure. Let's
wireless
see.
definitely doesn't work, right? Okay, where's your cable?
So great news and bad news. So bad news, somebody took my cable. News, but the great news, keep posted because we're gonna come out with a cool short video how to with Android, and step by step we'll teach you how.
Yeah,
to
let us
set it
know,
up.
right? Because it seemed to me it's not super difficult to use.
No, it's
you know?
simple.
Yeah,
An
just-
iPhone from the basic is built to as a simple use for these people like, you know, older people and stuff like that, like you. But but Android is more advanced, more complicated.
control, you
It's
know?
like for hackers and people who like to
Hackers.
change everything. And like if you want to send some rockets, there's a red button. And
Okay, we're not here to sell phones, we sell cars, okay?
Okay, so that's it for today.
You know what? I don't want to
Great
thank you so
experience.
much, guys, for your
Thanks
time
for watching.
this video. More are coming. But you know,
Leave comments, subscriptions, whatever. Help us to grow, and we're gonna help you to get more educated and knowledge.
let us know what you want to see next.
Yeah.
Right? And I think today is an awesome video. Wow, this thing is actually
I
pretty
love
easy
it,
to
and
use.
it's so quick.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
party time! Oh, party!
You know
Go!
what I do?
Yes.
What?
Bye bye.
Bye. Oh, this is my favorite song actually.